सारा जमाना।
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
After months of screen time and no play dates, the Children's Discovery Museum is open for Purple Play Days of Summer. It's time to rediscover the wonder. Climb on the fire engine, splash around in the waterworks, blow bubbles, and scale the tree climber in Bill's backyard. Oodles of hands-on arts and culture, STEM, health, and nature-themed exhibits await your family. The Giant Purple Museum is open every day, Wednesday through Sunday. Reservations are required at cdm.org. That's cdm.org. जब हमारे परिवार के बुजुर्गों की सेहत और देखभाल की बात होती है तो घर पर इन होम केयर वाला ऑप्शन सबसे बढ़िया है। ऑनलॉक का पेस प्रोग्राम एक ऐसा कन्वीनियंट एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड ऑप्शन है जिसके जरिए हमारे बुजुर्ग घर पर हमारे साथ रहकर यही देखभाल और सेवा का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। अब चाहे वो घर पर रहे या ऑनलॉक वाले पेस सेंटर में आए, उनको वही डेडिकेटेड एंड प्रोफेशनल केयर मिलेगी। ऑनलॉक ने बुजुर्गों की सेहत को अपना प्रायोरिटी बना लिया है। और जानने के लिए 1855-308-0195 पे कॉल करें। That's 1855-308-0195। Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bam bam ba 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 bam ba ba bam ba ba bam ba bam ba 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 bam ba bam ba ba bam. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskar.
Vanakkam.
खुशामदी.
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
मी गंद्र की वंदनम.
जय स्वामीनारायण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनित्र.
हमारे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली बता.
मला नहीं बता बोलते हो सारे फीजी हम बता बोलेंगे निस्सान बोला.
Oh God, हम आ गए हैं बदजान.
आपके प्यारे महिमा के दरे में से फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, फालतू रानी, लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's going to make it totally exciting and totally बस्तारी बदजारी.
आपका प्यारा बाबा हाजिर हो गया है ना. आज का टॉपिक फालतू नहीं. आज हम लोग दूध का दूध और कॉफी का कॉफी करने वाले हैं.
दूध का दूध और कॉफी का कॉफी, पानी का पानी करने वाले हैं. ऐसे बोलो.
ये पानी कम चाय करने वाले हम लोग.
पानी कम चाय.
Yes.
बोले तो.
Because we're going to talk about something which has been talked about not much in our industry.
हाँ.
In our community actually, in the whole thing.
हाँ.
I think there's this particular thing like we innately somehow, thanks to Indian cinema,
हाँ.
we have formed in our own culture
हाँ.
a certain concept of beauty.
हाँ.
And I think we need to challenge that today.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, absolutely, Badajan. Innate concept of beauty or
Yeah. My question is very simple,
what
Fadwani.
concept of beauty?
And let me just ask a simple question, Fadwani.
Huh.
Is fair lovely?
Is fair lovely?
Uh-huh.
Is it lovely to assume that fair is lovely?
Exactly. Is it
Is
fair?
it fair?
To say
This is-
fair in the first place.
Yes.
Now you might say, what do you mean by that, Faltoni? It doesn't make sense and all. Yeah, Faltoni sometimes that way, but let me explain to you for you guys.
क्या रे बोला तू?
Hey, no, Faltoni, you're like fair, no? You're Gori Chitti, correct? I am not.
तो? You're faulting me for the way I look.
I didn't say that.
Then?
I just said that sometimes, people wonder what is Faltoni saying that way because Faltoni is lovely and she's fair. That's what they'll say, right?
Oh my God! Oh
don't-
my God!
What?
You can actually compliment nicely, Alva. They will say, Dada, like that. You say,
Hello,
oh
my
God.
God, accept a compliment when it comes to you. But come on, be a sport. I'm just trying to say that no, Indian cinema have given us a particular concept, like, hero ho to aisa dikhna chahiye, heroine ho to aise dikhni chahiye, right?
Huh.
Like, I have a thing saying that no, it's not always the case. Majority of the heroes, unfortunately, are going to be golachittis.
Huh.
But actually, Indian cinema has a lot of those dusky, looking heroes as well, right? Classic example,
Huh.
Dilip Kumar Saab,
Huh.
fair.
Eh?
Yeah,
Really?
of course. He was fair.
Okay.
How about Raj Kapoor?
Of course, fair.
Yes. Now,
Rajinikanth.
Devaran Saab.
Rajinikanth.
Okay, Father, if you want to talk about Rajinikanth, for Rajinikanth.
No,
okay.
no, Rajinikanth.
Rajinikanth, actually, he can't put it in any classifications.
Yes.
Yeah. Because fair is Rajinikanth.
Devanand was what?
Yeah, he was, I think, my complexion, wheat complexion.
Whatever! Whatever. And he was still very successful. Don't talk about heroes and all that stuff, okay?
Oh, why you not
heroes,
hero?
heroes, men are supposed to be tall, dark, and handsome. So
Hello, excuse me. That was your Wilson Boons afterwards when your generation came in thinking, I'm tired, I can handsome. Usse pehle even
My generation
yeah,
came in,
even
what?
even men folk were supposed to be fair only, by the way. Yeah, otherwise they would not be getting a chance in movies.
Really?
Jitendra Saab, Prem Chopra, right? All those people. Amitabh Bachchan, because he was fair, he became in the movies, right?
Really?
I don't know, just kidding, yes. But yeah, come on, think of Kapoor family, everybody's so fair, right? That's the problem. And the thing is, Manajan, my question to you guys is whether do you think fair is lovely?
Huh.
Well, I'm not saying that fair is not lovely. There are some people who are lovely, but is it actually good to actually compare that way? Should we say, expectations? Like for instance, there's an ad of coming up which is totally challenged, right? Fair and Lovely एक product था जो I think
अभी
whole
भी है क्या?
I think it's still there.
Huh.
And they were like, it was well, the thing is, it was actually still used, and actually they were like promoting it for people to change color. I know one of my friends who used to actually use it every day ceremoniously.
Huh.
No change on his skin color, by the way.
Huh.
It never helped him, but he used to use it.
That's true, actually.
Yeah,
Bachchan.
beauty products. Some beauty products, I think, is the most biggest hoax of all time,
Huh.
right?
Huh.
Huh.
Exactly. Prem Chopra? What? Did you say Prem Chopra? Somebody is saying Prem Chopra. Prem
Chopra.
is a villain. He
Prem
was
Chopra was fair. Come on, he came in the selection. Like how they start talking about Dharmendra ji coming in that
oh, the talent contest.
talent contest, right?
Huh.
Prem Chopra was one of those people who selected the talent contest for right?
Okay, fine.
I don't know if you knew about that. Did you know about that?
No, I did not.
Then
Yeah.
okay. But the thing is, even our Indian cinema songs also, right? They talk about only somebody who's fair. You know, how do I know this?
Yeah, how do you know this?
I can play a song,
Okay.
right?
Well, actually, pop culture में and especially Indian culture में मुझे ये मालूम नहीं था. I had not realized how how much of a great impact this whole conversation around fair complexion and good looks and all this nonsense affects people. When I was actually with some of my friends, my girlfriends, and they said, oh my god, this is so bad, that they will say things like, okay, you know what, do something like they'll ask them to drink a certain type of milk. They'll say, do this with your complexion. Oh my god, you better marry somebody who's fair, because otherwise let's hope that the child doesn't come out with your skin complexion. And
What are
these
you
kinds
talking
of
about, Father?
nonsense.
Seriously,
Yeah.
all that is coming up, and oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah, it's like stuff like that comes out, and they're like, oh, girls should be fair, and if the girl is born with slightly dark complexion, it's like the chances of getting her married are very difficult.
Oh no.
Yeah, seriously, Manjan, and it's true even of boys, of course. Which is a movie in which this guy religiously will apply powder to his face. He'll apply powder. Is it Irfan Khan or Nawazuddin Siddiqui? I don't remember which movie. Something where, before he leaves, right, his mom will make sure that, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, right?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
I think it's Nawazuddin Siddiqui, in which he will actually stand in front. He'll apply Fair and Lovely diligently to his face. Then he applies. But it's very sad if you think about it कि लोगों की psyche में कैसा चला गया है कि अगर गोरे हैं तो सोसाइटी में आपको ज्यादा मायना दिया जाएगा.
Of course, and
Right?
that's what Indian cinema has done, right? Indian cinema has given us those things where situations. Now again, are you going to limit only to gender or female only?
No, not necessarily.
Even male, right? Because I think even men have been given a raw deal that way.
Right.
Yes, Faltwani, I'll tell you what. We'll play some songs today which actually talk about those things.
Right.
Starting off, Banjan, this particular song which we caught in from the movie called Chichor.
Huh.
So, a question to you guys, Banjan, is that something which you also look for? Do you also see and you also tell me like, okay, if they're fair, they're good looking, huh? What do you think? Give us a call, 408 912 2479.
She's not gory by any standard, right?
Exactly my point.
Yeah.
मैं तो गया मारा आके यहाँ रे आके यहाँ रे जी करता है मोर के पाँव में पायलिया पहना दूं कुहू कुहू गाती कोयलिया को फूलों का गहना दूं.
And of course, the number to call you 408 912 नमस्कार पैम पैम के फेयर एंड आवली फ्राइडेज में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this? Hello.
Pam Pam.
ओहो बेगा जी कैसे हैं आप?
I'm fine.
Very good, very good.
Pam Pam.
आज हम hey Pam Pam.
Who's that?
That's Anya.
Anya.
Yay!
Anya, I'm totally stuck, Anya. God bless you, sweetie. And of course, बेगा जी आज तो आप very good. आपने कॉल किया एक सुपर शो पे. We're talking about Fair and Lovely? Question mark.
Yeah.
What do you think?
We generally give so much importance to color and it becomes a big problem. I think I understand what Faltu Rani is saying and it becomes a comparison issue also and a lot of things happen. So this is not fair for anybody. Not that fair, but this wala fair.
Yes, exactly. I
It
know
should
that's
not
right.
be- yeah. Color is a color. Why do you have to look at the color?
Exactly.
Look at the person, right?
Look at the person. There are other things you can look as beauty, right? In terms of person's character, person's
That is also
attitude.
as a person, as a whole, not as a person. Like as a
Yeah.
person is when I say the person is the entire person. It's not package. It is not कि सूरत देखा तार गया सीरत देखा तो मर गया मतलब you look at the face and you are super happy and then you understand that person then that is nothing is there. So why do we need to do that?
Exactly. And actually, we can look at that. They also filtered out heroes and heroes based on the color skin also, by the way. That's what I felt. At least that's what my feeling is.
No,
Right.
they were doing it. They were that was there. It was there, but I don't like this concept at all.
Yeah, same here.
शादी
Me
के लिए
too.
देखने जा रहे हैं तो लड़की गोरी होनी चाहिए. भाई गोरी ने क्या रखा है?
हाँ, exactly. क्या रखा है? Exactly.
लेकिन एक चीज है मेघा जी.
हाँ, एक चीज है लेकिन of course अगर शादी के लिए अगर आप गोरी लड़की लेगी तो you can, बिजली का बिल बच जाएगा ना? बिजली का बिल बच जाएगा.
क्यों?
हाँ,
जिसकी बीवी गोरी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है.
हाँ, अंधेरे में काम आ जाएगी ना वो.
या कुछ भी यार.
हाँ.
What? That's not true.
कमरे में बिठा दो बिजली का क्या काम है.
Nonsense.
बता दे उन्हें यार. Hey, but very good यार. देगा जी, thank you so much.
तो फिर उस हिसाब से कि जिसकी बीवी काली उसका भी बड़ा नाम है. आपको मैं बता लो काजल का क्या
काजल
नाम
का
है?
मैं तो हाँ बोलूं
Exactly.
मैंने बोला मेरे लिए नो प्रेफरेंस है by the way. I'm open book. No prescriptions that way. So that's good.
हाँ.
लेकिन
नहीं तो हाँ जी बोलिए.
बोलो आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
नहीं, like I had I think shared some days back also on our group where we chit chat that there was an incident and this is a real incident. Someone when we were my mom was looking for prospective groom, so somebody had asked her, हाँ आपकी बेटी गोरी है, सानू दूध भर की चिट्टी गोरी चाहिए. And mom said, गधे भी गोरे होते हैं. मेरी घोड़ा है, बहुत गोरी नहीं है, पर दूध भर की गोरी नहीं है, पर गोरी है. But she literally said that this is not the criteria we look for, and then she said namaste, and that was the conversation end.
Good for her.
We can't
For her,
proceed with this kind
man.
of thing.
Good for her. Good for her. Wonderful. Wonderful. And thank you so much for chatting in today. And yes, Sundarega, we have some nice talk. What? Okay. So in your case,
सावली के ऊपर भी गाने बने हैं.
हाँ,
अगर आप
बताइए.
लगाना चाहो तो
वही
लगा
ना.
सकते हो. कहीं एक बहुत प्यारा रफी साहब का गाना है.
हाँ, बताइए.
कहीं एक मासूम नाजुक सी लड़की, बहुत खूबसूरत मगर सांवली सी.
हाय, हाय,
बहुत
हाय.
खूबसूरत.
That's a beautiful song, actually. I think it's a
Lovely
Khayyam thing, right?
Yes, Khayyam
yeah.
song.
Wonderful. We'll play it for you for sure. And I love
आपने
that
एक
song.
नोटिस किया उस गाने के बोल में बहुत खूबसूरत मगर सावली
Magar
सी.
Sasu. I noticed it. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
People are they do it like सांवली is मगर.
हाँ.
खूबसूरत जरूरी नहीं है. सांवली भी होगी तभी बहुत खूबसूरत हो सकती है. मगर सांवली में कभी कोई फर्क नहीं है.
हाँ,
Correct,
very good, very good.
correct.
Very good. क्या क्या point पकड़ा फादर today? Very good. हाँ, मेगा जी आपके लिए गाना लगाएंगे जरूर सुनते रहेगा, right?
Thank you so much for calling
Bye-bye.
in. Thank you. Have
And
a good
Father, it's a
one.
very nice discussion we have today. We're talking about beauty,
Huh.
right? On air right now. But
We're
if you want
talking
to join
about
us,
complexion and how is beauty really just skin deep?
beauty just skin deep. Oh,
हाँ.
interesting. नमस्कार आपका आज स्वागत है पैम पैम के skin deep का कौन topic आज है Fair and Lovely Fridays. Who's this? Hello. Hi.
Hello,
Hello. Pam Pam.
Pam, how are you guys?
Very good. आप कैसे हो अभिमा जी?
I am good.
Good. बस.
बस good. अब तो बेस्ट टेस्ट होना चाहिए
एक
आपको.
काम करो हमारे लिए 2-3 बार कॉल करो.
I'm very good. I'm very good.
That's
अच्छा,
all. Very good. No,
Yeah,
awesome.
very good.
No, awesome. Awesome.
Fridays are always good, right?
Friday is always good because the weekend is right here.
Yay! It's
Hey,
Friday.
Friday. And of course, आज का टॉपिक जो है Fair and Lovely Fridays. What is your टिप्पणी on this?
My opinion on this is I don't think it matters. I know many people who are not very fair
Uh-huh.
and they still look okay, and then I know people who are dark and don't look that good. I mean, sorry, I meant to say it the other way around. I know many people who are fair and are not that attractive, and I know many people who are duskier and still look very good. So I don't think fair and dark really has, I mean, it's not really important, but at the same time, it's really, really sad because my husband has a huge extended family, and you have spoken to some of, his cousins and other people, and I think, in northern India, it's really, really bad.
Oh, really? Okay.
In terms of, they expect, especially girls, to be fair. And, if a girl is not fair, she has to hear all sorts of nonsense. He has a cousin who, उसकी जो mom है वो बहुत fair है और उनके जो dad हैं is pretty dark in complexion. And she told me that, when she would go to school and sometimes her mom would come to pick her up and people would say to her कि तुझे क्या हो गया तेरी माँ इतनी गोरी चिट्टी है and how come you're duskier.
Oh,
And
God.
she said she really was complex about that growing up. And, she then came here to the United States where nobody really even looks at that stuff, Nobody cares here. Not only our society over here, but, even Americans, they don't care about that stuff. At the end of the day, it's, what type of person you are. And, beauty is skin deep. Beauty is temporary. So, my opinion is, it's not an important thing. For some people it is, but for me it's not, and it's sad that there's so many songs on girl, gori, and even Punjabi folk songs. There's a lot of emphasis on gori, and there's this horrible song. It's a very popular song, but there's even a Punjabi song, Kala Shah Kala. Mera kala hai sardar goriya nu dafa karo. But in that they're actually I think glorifying the dusky guy, the man. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. These are very superficial and petty things at the end of the day.
Yeah,
But in India, even I think finally, Priyanka Chopra, Sushmita Sen, some of these beautiful ladies.
Oh
are
my
starting
God! No,
to
wait,
change.
Baji, hold on. I'll tell you what. Faltwani has got inside scoop of all these people because Faltwani and Deepa actually run a parallel non-profit agency. No profit agency which actually keeps track of all these people's surgical or bills, Faltwani?
Wow.
Receipts. So what is the
Wow.
bill which Priyanka Chopra's got, Faltwani?
Priyanka Chopra, Deepika Padukone,
Okay.
Janhvi Kapoor.
Shushu?
Wait. Even Shruti Hassan. All these people have had skin lightening procedures
Shruti
done.
Hassan also.
no.
Yes.
Shruti Hassan so fair.
Kajol
including-
is very obvious.
Including
Kajol is very obvious.
everybody, Shilpa Shetty, what is
Wow.
her
Hey,
name?
please,
Sridevi.
please, don't
Sridevi. Every single one of them has had skin lightening procedures done. Every single one of them. Shruti Hassan, I
wow.
take it back. Shruti Hassan was more
No,
the
s-
rhinoplasty. It wasn't.
Rhinoplasty. She had
Yeah, and
rhinoceros
lip
nose.
work. She got the lip fillers and rhinoplasty.
Wow, even what that day you told, even Anushka Shetty has got lip work done.
Anushka Shetty. Who's
Anushka Sharma.
Anushka
Virat
Sharma,
Kohli.
yes, without a
Uska
doubt.
Yeah.
thing was so obvious in PK, right?
Yeah. She.
No, I thought she was trying to emulate her, long-term Donald Duck thing.
Donald Duck. Yeah, that's what it looked like in the movie, but it's like she just came back with that funny duck mouth.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it.
Yeah, and now we kind of gotten used to it. But if you look at Anushka
Yeah.
Sharma in the first movie, what was that? Band Baja Barat, that you see her,
Ha.
or Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, she looks, her lips are completely different from the way her lips are right now. It's you can
To be
make out
honest
that-
with you, Falsu Rani, I think she looked better before. You know, I mean,
Yeah, I
I
think
always
so
found
too.
her pretty.
Yeah.
I agree with you.
She came back looking like, I don't
Lekin-
know, a bee bitter on her lips or something.
लेकिन मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ
पूछो,
विभा जी
पूछो,
कि आपने कहा people here don't care. Don't
I
they?
don't think so. Even, I mean, look, I've been here for 20 years. That's a long time, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what I love about this place, especially Silicon Valley, is you could be the CEO of a huge company and you're wearing a Kentucky chappal and you're wearing shorts, and nobody will know who you are. And then you could also be, some person who's not doing that great and living off credit cards, and you're carrying a Louis Vuitton purse. And that's the beauty of the valley, I think, where, you really never know who somebody really is, and nobody even really cares.
There is
At least in my 20 years, that's what I've noticed. Which is what I love about this area.
But when it comes to really crucial decisions, right, Vibhaji, even first impressions, America is a racist.
Mm-hmm.
There is a
America
bias, yes.
is-
There is a bias towards there
Go
is a
ahead.
bias towards lighter complexioned people.
Mm-hmm.
Anywhere in the world, there is
Right.
a bias towards people who are lighter complexioned. And who are
You
fairer skin.
know, Falsu Rani, this can also actually be a problem, because I have encountered many interesting episodes where I have been at airports and they have mistaken me for an Afghani person and made me go through all those
Yeah.
intense security checks where they even pulled me away from my daughter and took me into some funny room because they thought that I was an Afghani or an Arab.
Wow.
Wow.
This is real life stuff. I was flying to India, and Karun was already there, and Jaina was with me, and they were interrogating Jaina and asking her if I was really Jaina's mother, because Jaina, she's not dusky, but she's not my complexion either. And when they said they found gunpowder remnants in my jacket.
That's profiling. That's total profiling,
Yeah,
actually.
and that's I was like, how is that possible? I wore this jacket today morning. What are you guys saying? And then they did some background checks. They went to another room to make sure that everything that I had told them was true. And then they were like, oh, we're so sorry, ma'am, for this, and you're okay to board your flight. And this has not happened to me once. This has happened to me on many instances where Karun and Jaina have been separated from me. And because according to them, I look like an Arab or an Afghani person. Yeah. So it's not always positive, Falsu Rani, but
No, that's what I'm
but
saying.
you're right. There is a general bias not only in Indian society, but even within Hispanics. There is, the Hispanics with a fairer complexion are generally, the ones who are from a better off family, whereas the ones who are
Mulatto.
duskier in complexion are, the farming types.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's definitely a bias. Absolutely.
Very true, very true. Of course, we're talking about the biases which we have in our own eyes,
Yeah.
the lens that we wear ourselves.
Yeah.
Thanks to Indian cinema. Let's all blame it on Indian cinema. Why do you blame each other?
we can blame it on Indian cinema, and not just the movies and who they select to play roles,
Yeah.
but even the music.
Exactly.
I mean, you'll find, I don't know, a handful of songs about dusky people,
Uh-huh.
and then about Gora Chitta, Gori Ladki, Gori, this nonsense, Gora Chashma,
Uh-huh.
Kala Chashma, Gore Mukhde Pe.
Uh.
It's too much.
Yeah, yeah.
It's ugly. It's ugly actually.
And it's actually not something which happened recently. When I'm talking about the times of 1940s, 50s also.
Correct.
They still had that thing about Gore Chitte, right? And we
Right,
play a nice
it's
song.
memorial from the beginning.
Correct.
From the beginning.
I will play a song for right now. Vivaji Sundarega, and thank you so much for chiming in today. That was a good thing you brought up right now for us. And Sundarega, one beautiful song coming your way, okay?
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Vibaji.
And of course, Benjan, yes, Faltrani.
Huh.
There were times this particular song ruined it for all the, your tall, dark, handsome boys.
Really?
Yeah. Wait, what happened to you, Faltrani? Oh, sorry, I'm the person who's doing this thing. It's my fault.
गोरे गोरे ओ बाकी छोरे कभी मेरी गली आया करो गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो गोरे गोरे ओ बाकी छोरे कभी मेरी गली आया करो गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो
It was okay for a Gora guy to be like, total,
Yeah, but if
rowdy.
the guy is like dark,
He'll
then
be
he's
villain.
considered he's
Villain.
considered rowdy.
Rowdy, villain,
Romeo,
or a comedian,
Ha.
all the kind of stuff. That's right. Even for the matter, Ashok Kumar Saab was very fair. No, he was not actually.
थोड़ा थोड़ा मिलना थोड़ी सी जुदाई सदा चांदनी रात अच्छी नहीं छोड़ो छोड़ो जियो न तोड़ो किसी और को जलाया करो गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो
And of course, Bajaj today talking about fairness. Is it fair to be fair? Or rather, is it fair to actually count fair as
being lovely?
Lovely, yes. So, it is fair, really lovely. I don't know. Give us a call, 4089-122-479. And thank you so much, Meghaji, Vibaji, for sharing your thoughts and inputs on this. It's what makes a conversation, right? All the difficulties, we got to actually,
It is a difficult conversation to have. I'll ask you, Altu Baba. I'm really
Yeah,
going to ask
please tell me.
everybody who's listening. आप call करे या ना करे, it doesn't matter. But अगर आप call करेंगे, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. हम आपसे सवाल कर रहे हैं. आपसे ये सवाल करने का, we are asking you to do this. ये क्या इल्तिजा है हमारी कि आप अपने आप से पूछें. जब आप अपने प्रोस्पेक्टिव पार्टनर इन लाइफ को देखने जा रहे थे, क्या आपके जहन में कभी भी आया था कि वो फेयर कॉम्प्लेक्शन होना चाहिए?
Well, actually, I'll tell you what, Father. We got to go back into our own cultural stories.
हाँ. Okay.
People are not going to like me. They're going to hate me for this.
Why?
But I'll tell you also. I don't mind. I'll take it.
Our cultural stories
Yes,
बोले तो
yes.
mythology.
Mythology में जाओ.
हाँ.
Mythology is a myth, right? I'm talking about cultural stories.
हाँ.
Our folklore.
हाँ.
How many folklores are about people who are okay complexion, like my complexion? सिर्फ एक भगवान कृष्ण को बना दिया, जो भी वो भी he was a blue color guy.
हाँ.
He was not black in color.
Blue color guy.
Well, actually, he was supposed to be dark shade. Okay, that's one thing.
हाँ.
And then how many of the other, his consorts, or what do I call it, right?
हाँ.
How many of them were dark complexion? Nobody was dark complexion. Everybody was supposed to be fair.
Compared to him, they were.
Yeah, and even for the matter, if at all if a girl who was supposed to be darker complexion, they would make them
And the asuras were dark complexion.
supposedly darker, but they were not actually.
Oh, they were not?
No, the reality of the thing was they were they were just like human beings.
Oh, wow.
Like everybody had normal complexions.
Oh, wow.
But we're depicted by that thing. So people remember what the stories, the folklore, what people remember is which. You know what they remember?
What do
they don't remember scriptures, Faltrani.
Oh, then what do they remember?
They remember Ramanand Sagar and they remember Amar Chitakatha. Amar Chitakatha. No. Amar Chitakatha.
Acha.
The reason I'm saying that is because even our definition of what it is, right?
Huh.
We don't get our truth from the scriptures.
Huh.
Scriptures don't talk about color, to be very honest with you.
Really?
It talks about radiance.
Right.
It talks
True.
about the beauty as radiance, not in terms
Correct.
of color. People misunderstand this thing. People go with what was written in the comic books.
Correct.
Comic books coloring that way. But if you look at it, even for the matter, the biggest lie, people will not agree with me on this.
Huh.
Jesus. propagated as a person of white complexion.
Huh.
He's not supposed to. He's not actually a white complexion. He hails from a region which is African region. Which is a Persian African region. So he actually is more darker complexion and thicker hair as opposed to the glorious flowing hair of Jesus.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm talking about folklore. Please guys, I'm not talking knocking anybody's religion. Religion is fine. I respect everybody. I respect everybody's belief. I'm talking about the narration of how the concept of fair and lovely, right? Fair being the epitome of beauty, or a measure of beauty being fairness. Light skin color is supposed to be fair. It's supposed to be beautiful. All those things, right? So number to give a call here 408-912-479, and we challenge those things, because right now many times many of our children also in this generation, they also have issues in terms of accepting their color, right? Okay, now television is coming up with point references for them many a times, but of course we have to ask the question ourselves.
Correct.
What kind of example is setting to people? What do we think?
Yeah.
What do we say is the color? What do you think is beauty? That kind of stuff, right?
Yeah.
We have a caller waiting line. Go to them, please.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के फेयर एंड लवली फ्राइडे में. कौन है जी?
मैं नेहा once again.
हाय मेघा जी.
हाँ बोलो.
I think Kishan touched on the topic जब मैंने call किया, so I was about to touch it. So I think he has already mentioned कि Jesus also is from Middle Eastern and उनको काफी fair दिखाया जाता है. अगर सीता का ध्यान दिया जाए, because since वो धरती से पाई गई थी, उनको धानी कहा क्या था. But he हुआ correct. रामानंद सागर की सीता काफी different तरह दिखाई गई है. Because I think our society, we paint the picture in this way, and quite a bit of the reason was because India is a society where a lot of invaders have always come in.
Correct.
When people have moved in, when they ruled, people used to look up on them. So वो एक subjugacy का हमारे में है थोड़ा, कि हम लोग का subject feeling है, and that is why so वो एक white का बहुत भूत जैसे सवार है कई हजार सालों से.
Yeah, it is primed. We have been primed that way.
From the European invasions, right? If you even look at the Aryan race and everything, Aryapatra and all that, it was all because they were coming from all the way from the top. So we have had multiple generations, layers in our history.
Yeah, but the thing is, that's a misconception. Right? It's not that also. In fact, I feel it's a matter of 100 years.
Yeah.
100, 200 years में ही जो variation हुआ था, because the narration of stories came in that time only, no? Prior to that, there's no reference of color in the scriptures also. They never had the concept of color that way. There's the color of somebody probably a person who are Dravidian or whatever it is, Aryan, suppose. There's a definition of color in those things anyways.
Right.
But good point.
देखो 100 years से भी बहुत पहले से है color subjugation. See, India में काफी time से है.
Yeah.
Not just across the country, but across the whole thing. Just because the people in power were of a different color, so they would always think that color is considered better. That is the whole thing.
Yeah. So actually, in fact, मैं ये कहना चाहती थी कि कुछ लोग हम लोग सोचते नहीं हैं, कभी कभार हम लोग जैसे कमेंट मारते हैं या लोगों को, बच्चों को भी कैसे कमेंट करते हैं. मेरा भाई सावला है, राइट, लिटिल बिट. तो जब हम लोग छोटे होते थे, हम लोग जाके खेलते थे, व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू गो प्ले, एंड और इवन नाउ इन फैक्ट यहाँ पे भी अमेरिका में भी जब हमसे मिलते हैं, लोग बोलते हैं, oh really, that is your brother? Oh my god, you look so different. How is he so dark? Oh my god, it's like ridiculous the way they, and it's not that he's dark at all. So it's more than
that is the whole problem, right? हम लोग एक lens लगा लेते हैं.
And the other thing is, if you actually look at the both of us, you can make out easily chap. I mean, people who pay attention and who can look beyond the the first immediate filter of skin complexion, you can make out that we are brother and sister right away.
Because your expressions, the face cut, the way you give out expressions, the way you're built, all very obvious.
Yeah, exactly.
So you will know that.
Yeah, and no, there are people who don't really know us too, sometimes who meet us for the first time also, can immediately even though we're not introduced as siblings, a lot of times people are able to, are you guys siblings? Because you look so much like each other. Well, there are also those people, and हमारे देसीज में काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं, और जो unfortunately क्या कहते हैं, people of color में है बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो सोचते हैं कि हम लोग कैसे भाई बहन हैं, क्योंकि हमारे में इतना सारा color difference डिफरेंस है. नॉनसेंस इट इज. आई मीन समटाइम्स आई वंडर कि कैसे ये लोग सोचते हैं. तो या तो मैं बहुत गुड लुकिंग हूँ या वो बहुत गुड लुकिंग है आपके हिसाब से.
This is very true, and it happens. Like people would call out, like if you have one kind of a color, people would call out like, "Hey, that person is so fair, and why are you not fair?" And the other person is fair enough,
Yeah.
quite fair. It
Yeah.
may not be like that person may be like I said, right, milk white, but
Huh.
they are fair,
Right.
fairer than many of others.
Yeah.
But people kind of bias it out. That's I think a bias. So,
Yeah.
as a filter.
Very true, and thank you so much. Actually, I had your next song coming up right now. आप सुनेगा, and very rarely you'll find a song with appreciating the light, the darker color skin in Indian cinema. I'm gonna play a song for you right now, okay, Megha ji?
Yeah, thank you, Megha ji. You know, Vidyasagar Amirapur ji is writing on Facebook. He's like, Altu and Faltu, between the two of you, who is fair and who's unfair, it seems.
I am fair, she's unfair.
Huh? Rascala.
Fair as in fairness in terms of, the way I approach topics and approach
Sir,
things,
it's pretty evident, isn't it?
Yeah, in complexion wise, you probably are fair, but actually in character wise, I'm very fair. Yes.
Well, Badijan, aap sun rahe hain the hot and honking drive time, prime time jam. Pam Pam, right here on Radio Day Hotties. And this is a production of Media Mahima. And अगर आप इस शो को सुनना चाहते हैं, रोज हम लोग 5 से लेके 7 बजे तक यहाँ पे हाजिर हो जाते हैं. Right on facebook.com/Radio D Hotties or on the Radio D Hotties apps on iOS and Android. Download कर लीजिएगा and enjoy super duper music and super duper entertainment. अभी एक और गाना.
बहुत खूबसूरत मगर सांवले से बहुत खूबसूरत मुझे अपने ख्वाबों की बाहों में पाकर कभी नींद में मुस्कुराती तो होगी उसी नींद में कसमसा कर सराने से तकिए गिराती तो होगी कहीं एक मासूम नाजुक सी लड़की खामोशियों में मेरी याद से झंझनाते तो होंगे वो बेसाख्ता धीमे धीमे सुरों में मेरी धुन में कुछ गुनगुनाती तो होगी कहीं एक मासूम नाजुक सी लड़की.
And of course, Bacha, very rightly pointed out by Faltoni is saying that इसमें ना बहुत खूबसूरत बगर सांवली थी यार.
हाँ.
That kind of stuff. I'll tell you what. That's what. The second thing is always taken as a step down, and then something else quality, right?
Correct.
Like for instance, people say, oh नहीं ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. हम कालों के बारे में, हम काले रंग के ऊपर भी एक गाना बनाया है, where मोहम्मद महमूद के ऊपर, right?
हाँ,
हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिलवाले हैं.
Correct.
So I am dark,
हाँ.
but I'm also dilwala.
Yeah. What? Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, that was a conversation that we wanted to have, Banijan, कि यहाँ पे actually ऐसा वाला हम लोग सोचते हैं कि ओ यार यहाँ पे वो distinction नहीं है, लोग appreciate करते हैं. आप सोच के देखो where that perspective is coming from. It's coming from a place of privilege.
Yes, and I got a song meant for people who think that way.
Really? Ki, they think being of dark complexion is exotic.
No, people think that being of exotic. Oh, really?
Yeah. Abhi, लाइक गोरे लड़के या गोरे लड़के सावली लड़कियों से क्यों प्यार करते हैं या
Oh, really?
मतलब हाँ
ऐसा भी है क्या?
oh my god she's
So they get mulatto, right?
so
Mocha.
sultry and so exotic ऐसे बात करते हैं.
really?
Yeah, and it would be nothing. It's just the fact that it's like the fact that they're of a darker complexion more than anything else. There are also the kids who are wheat complexion, who are fair complexion, and then again there's that whole divide that happens between
There you go.
them.
By all those people who think they're very, very fair and very good, I'll just have one warning for everybody out there.
Yeah,
गोरे रंग पे इतना घुमाने कर गोरा रंग एक दिन ढल जाएगा.
exactly. Prajan.
इसी गाने के साथ आज आपको छोड़ने वाले बंदजान and yes we will come back to you guys.
रंग पे न इतना गुमान कर गोरा रंग 2 दिन में ढल जाए.
That's that बजान 2 दिन घूम लो आप सूरज में मतलब in the sun and you automatically start getting sunburned. That's one thing good about the complexion which I have, right? Sunburn. And of course बजा इसी के साथ हम लोग बोलने वाले आप लोगों का हम लोग कल मिलेंगे बजा विद आवर गीत कथा चल. Yes, don't forget tune in 5 o'clock. We're going to have a great lineup of stuff. We're going to celebrate the birthdays of both not birthdays. We're celebrating the lives of Kishore Kumar and Rafi Saab together.
That's right. And अगर आप यहाँ पे हमारे साथ शामिल होना चाहते हैं बंदजान, if you want to come and meet with us in person, रजिस्टर कर लीजिएगा mediamahima.com पे जाके गीत गाता चल. आज रजिस्टर कीजिए because कल लास्ट मिनट रजिस्टर करेंगे तो खाना नहीं मिलेगा. अब उन लोगों को खाना ऑर्डर करना पड़ता है तो जल्दी जाके रजिस्टर कर लो. अगर M क्लास मेंबरशिप लेना है आपके फैमिली में से कितने लोग आ रहे हैं हमें प्लीज मैसेज कर दो.
Yes.
ठीक है. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening. कल मिलेंगे. Good night. शब्बा खैर and प्यार भरा. Mwah.
फूल मुरझाने से गुलजार असरकार नहीं मिटता.
रूप मिट जाता है ये प्यार ए दिलदार नहीं मिटता. क्या बात कही है ओए तौबा, क्या बात कही है ओए तौबा. ये दिल बेईमान मचल जाएगा. गोरे रंग पे न इतना गुमान कर गोरा रंग 2 दिन में ढल जाएगा.
Bandujan, this is your darling प्यारी महिमा की दुलारी फालतू रानी. I hope you're enjoying every one of these songs that we have lined up for you, Bandujani. This is Radio D Hotties, where entertainment, engagement, excitement, everything keeps getting hotter.